what's up guys? Welcome back to the sound design channel. My name is FurCloud, and in today's tutorial we're going to be making a Pluck sound using Serum. So this is how it sounds. And this is how it sounds with some other elements from a track. And this is the MIDI. Yeah, so this Pluck can fit into a melodic techno / melodic house kind of track. Now let's recreate the sound. Let's copy our MIDI here and let's open up a new track. Let's initialize the preset. And now the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to turn on the filter, and we're going to filter oscillator A, B, and noise. And now let's select the MG Low 18 filter. Let's remove the resonance and let's add a little bit of drive to around 22%. And that's how it sounds. Now let's go to our oscillator A and let's select analog basic mini wavetable. Let's go here and let's select the bend plus option here, and let's just turn it to around 32%. Now let's turn on our oscillator B and let's select analog basic shapes wavetable, and let's have our wavetable position at 4 octave plus 2. And let's have the level of this oscillator at around 26%.
This is the most complete and comprehensive program for melodic techno producers on PML. Seriously. The Melodic Techno Start to Finish Academy is a clearly structured roadmap to your first label release. From an empty Ableton project to priceless tips and secrets of applying to successful label. Step 1 of this program is a start to finish course that guides you through the complete process of a melodic techno production. Step 2 is all about practical music theory on writing harmonies and melodies that simply work. You will analyze successful patterns and melodies and will produce your own leads right away. Step 3 will be your key to writing and sound designing professional low-end. Simple, but very effective. Step 4 is about powerful drops and how to arrange melodic techno tracks for the club or for festivals. In Step 5, releasing artist Bentham invites you to his studio to show his production secrets in a track walkthrough. Step 6 takes you to Berlin, where Giulia Borelli and the Duet Studios share their most effective formulas and approaches to mixing and mastering stage-ready tracks. In Step 7, Jonas Saalbach and Guzzi, the label owners of Radicon and releasing artists for years, open up on do's and don'ts when applying to a label and what else it takes to make it in the industry. This program comes with loads of valuable samples and presets, and very helpful bonus problem solver packs. Ready for the next step? Get full access now on productionmusiclive.com.
And now let's turn on our noise oscillator and let's have our level at around 58%. Now let's go to envelope 1, have the attack at around 9.6 milliseconds, our decay at around 317 milliseconds, our sustain at around minus 2.9, and our release at around 603 milliseconds. All right. Now let's go to envelope 2 and let's attach this to our filter cutoff. Let's have our attack at around 4 milliseconds. our hold at 2.2 milliseconds, our decay at 221 milliseconds, our sustain at around 79%, and our release at around 2.668 seconds. Now let's attach this note to our filter cutoff here. We're going to have it at 20, and what this will do is the lower notes on the octave will play with less cutoff, and the notes on the higher octave will play with more openness and be a bit more brighter. So now let's go to the effects section. Let's turn on delay and reverb. Let's select the ping pong mode here. And let's select the plate on reverb. And together with other elements from this track, it sounds like this. The original. So yeah, guys, that's how you make this Pluck using Serum. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you soon in the next one. Peace.